So now we're going to go on and do the stand. It is 2 pieces, and you're going to want to leave it to the end once you're done putting together your bunnies. If you glue it, well, I'm gluing mine, but yours will have adhesive on the back, so you'll be able to just stick them and line them up. But you want to make sure, actually, pardon me, yours won't have adhesive on the back. You will have to glue it. If you glue it and you don't line them upright, then your bunny won't fit in the slot. So if you glue it and then input your bunny right away, that way it'll sit where it needs to, and you'll know that your bunny will fit in that slot. So you don't need an overabundant amount of glue. You don't want it seeping out the sides. Whoops. Okay, so do your best to place it evenly over the slots and give it a good press. Now give it maybe like 10-15 seconds at the most to just kind of set up so it's not sliding all over the place, but you should still have the ability just to move that board if you need to. You can see that it needs to slide over a little bit this way. There we go. So now I'm going to take this, and you will need a little bit of force to do this because it's supposed to be a tight fit. And so this might not be lined up right. Let's just double check. Yep, that's where mine's not going in. So that's why you want to make sure you are doing it when it's still kind of fresh. And if you get it crooked, see, mine is okay. So you might want to dry fit these first. Oops. Okay, so they're snug, but it needs just a little bit of sanding, just if it's a little tight on those edges. We don't want it loose so it falls over, but it won't take much sanding to make sure that that fits in there. I'm just going to do it this way first. And if you go in crooked, then it won't go in very well. Now my first one, my little bunny went in really nicely. Of course, my big bunny is going to give me some issues. So if you have to, you can always use an electric sander. So I'm going to pause it and just do that for a second. See, the thing is too, is when you stain, you can swell your wood. So even though it might be perfectly fit, if you haven't sanded where the swelling goes down, then it won't fit very well. And I feel like that's definitely better. I can see that it's going in nicely. So actually, let's do this. We are going to add the glue back to the bottom while I still have it in its slot. Let's see how well I can do this. Might not be the best idea, but I'm going to see if I can line it up this way. Okay, let's see what I can do. Okay, I finally did get it in. And you have to be just a bit patient. You need it snug. I did eventually get it past the first level without the other one on, and then I just gently took my hammer and tapped it into place, and now it is in there. So it's not going anywhere now, and you'll never take it apart. You'll have to store it that way, but yeah, that's what it is. It's super cute. And yeah, let's lay them this way so you can see them. There you go. All right, thanks guys.